A very good morning to everyone and welcome to the Utthan session today. So today we're in the second session of the new topic, which was creating a soul-to-soul connection. And today we have Sister Vinita for taking the session. So Sister has been associated with us for a past few topics now in the past few months, but I'll quickly introduce her. Um, so, Sister Vinita has been associated with the Brahma Kumari since the last 32 years. She is a faculty member of conducting training programs and imparting spiritual education on various topics like stress management, self management, power of positivity, calm and chaos, my inner compass, mantra for happy living, and many more. She is currently rendering her services as the Raj Yoga teacher at the Santa Cruz Center in Mumbai. Um, as a faculty member of the Shipping Aviation Tourism Wing, Security Service Wing of the Raj Yoga Education and Research Foundation of the Brahma Kumaris. She has also participated in many projects and campaigns organized by different wings of the Brahma Kumaris in different parts of the country. She has also served as a faculty member of the Transport Wing National Campaign, Life's Journey on the Wheels of Goodwill from Mumbai to Chennai, Linking Hearts campaign, self-empowerment campaign, and a lot more. Sister, welcome to the Utthan session. Om Shanti and over to you.
Om Shanti, sister. Thank you very much. So we'll start with a moment of silence so that all our thoughts, which are dispersed in different directions, can be focused for the purpose we are here today. Let us withdraw our thought energy from everything outside, being in the present moment, being in the now, being with your own true self, learning and understanding about your own higher qualities. These moments are to reconnect with yourself, and this time invested for the betterment of the self will give its own rewards at the required time in life. So this is for self-analysis, self-growth, and self-evolution. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. So we all are here today to understand this session on creating soul-to-soul connection. Is the voice clear, audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So throughout our life, we all meet many souls. We go through different relations from our childhood till now. We all have been connecting with variety of people. And so we can say that this life is like a journey. We all are on a journey. And can you see the presentation?
Yes, Didi.
Yeah. So we all souls are like travelers, and we all are there in this journey of life. But it is not just important that you reach the destination, but an equally important part is that you enjoy your journey also. If you have reached the destination with a lot of troubles, even if it is a small journey, and you have reached that destination with a lot of pain, suffering, some accidents has happened, all such things, then you don't want to repeat that journey again. So our purpose of life is to even enjoy the journey which we are in, the journey of life. So even when people are traveling, we wish them happy journey, bon voyage. So it's not just that destination, but their whole journey has to be very smooth and good. And in this journey, we are not alone, but there are many co-travelers along with us. We can say that if other souls are there who are traveling along with us in this journey of life. And what is that is connecting all of us? That is relations. And so we say that human being is a social being. He's not an island. So we are interacting with so many different types of people whom we meet in life. If, once one young boy, he wanted to go for a movie, but, so he had planned to go for a movie. Then his parents asked him, that movie was being released. The parents asked him that you want to come with us? We are going for the movie. But he said, no, I don't feel like I don't want to go. He said he just denied it. Next day, he went for the same movie with his friends. Now, he wanted to see the movie, but he wanted to watch the movie with his friends. So that is a choice of people with whom you want to. So in the small journeys of life, you have choice of people with whom you want to go. But maybe in the big journey of life, there would be people with you. There would be travelers with you with whom you don't have a choice. It's just like traveling in a railway compartment. I mean, sorry, in a train, in a compartment in the train, and where you have passengers from different places, different stations. You are meeting them for some period of time, a brief period of time, and when their station comes, they get down at that particular station. So life is also like a journey in that train, in that compartment of the train in which you are in, and where you are meeting so many different types of people in your life. And we have to understand that it is not a permanent journey. It is just for a brief period of time that we are here together. And what action and interaction takes place between us, that makes us experience what our life is, what how our day is, or how our life is being evolved in that way, how we are creating the life for us, in the way we are managing relations with people. Because when many people were asked what is the cause of stress, there were many reasons, but one of the main reasons was relations, conflicting relations. That was one of the main cause of stress. So managing these relations, and which is said as relation, is an exchange of energy. What is relation? It is simply an exchange of energy. What kind of energy is being exchanged from between you and the other person? If that exchange of energy is very pure, very positive, very good, then we say that a very positive relation, a very good relation, healthy relation. But if there is negativity in that, then what do we experience? वी से ये बंधन है। इन हिंदी वी से फॉर रिलेशंस हम कहते हैं संबंध, बट टुडे दैट रिलेशन हैज बिकम लाइक अ बंधन, बॉन्डेज। एंड कई बार ऐसा होता है कि रिलेशंस जो है, कई हमारे ऐसे रिलेशंस होते हैं, यू विल सी, जब बहुत अच्छे हैं, वी मे नॉट बी मीटिंग दोस पीपल एवरी डे ऑल्सो, बट हम इतने कनेक्टेड फील करते हैं कि कभी भी हम फोन उठाकर उनसे बात कर सकते हैं, हम दिल की बात कर सकते हैं, वी कैन शेयर अवर यू नो व्हाट आर फीलिंग्स, हम अपने दिल की बात बताते हैं, वी बिकम वेरी लाइट आफ्टर दैट। एंड कई लोग होंगे that you are meeting on day to day basis also, you are interacting with them, but still you know that connection is not established, वो connection नहीं होता है। तो सब टाइप ऑफ रिलेशंस आते हैं, एंड वो बंधन क्यों बन गया है? बिकॉज हमारा रिलेशन आज इट इज बिकम मोर ऑफ हेड टू हेड रिलेशन, ईगो लेवल पर वो रिलेशन, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज सेड बैलेंसिंग, maintaining relations is like a balancing act. One imbalance could break the continuity. Similarly, one small action of a single person could break the relation or create a barrier. छोटी सी एक बात, छोटा सा वर्ड हमने बोल दिया, एक्सप्रेशन, एक्शन, इट हैज बिकम सो फ्रेजाइल, नो सो डेलिकेट, दैट छोटी सी चीज भी जो है ना, इट कुड जस्ट ट्रिगर समथिंग एंड क्रिएट सच अ बिग मेस अबाउट द होल थिंग, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना द होल स्टोरी ऑफ रामायण महाभारत, एवरीथिंग जस्ट स्टार्ट्स विद वन वर्ड, वन सेंटेंस, इस प्रकार से बोल दिया, इस प्रकार से कर दिया। So because today our relation has become more of head to head level, not relation at the heart level. So it is said takes a split second to create a barrier, but requires a monumental effort to wipe out that barrier. कि जो हमारा वो बैरियर बन गया है, एंड एक बार वो बन जाता है, you know, when that barrier is caused, then it really takes it's not so easy, you know, it takes a lot, very difficult, a lot of efforts to create, you know, to wipe out that barrier. एक you know, and husband and wife, you know, they had some conflict with each other and they were not talking with each other, but still you know, continue तो करना था, काम तो चलेगा ना, घर पे कुछ ना कुछ तो काम होगा. So what they would do, they would not verbally talk with speak to each other, but वो लोग क्या करते थे, they would send chits to each other. Husband would say ये काम कर दो, wife would say ये सामान ला दो, you know, इस प्रकार से both will just exchange chits with each other. So one day at night, husband ने wife को chit लिख कर दिया that wake me up at 6 o'clock tomorrow. ये chit लिखा. So next day when the husband got up and time देखा, it was 8 o'clock. So he was so angry, he was so wild at his wife, and he was just going to shout at his wife. तो उसने एक चिट देखा, वहां पर लिखा था कि it's 6 o'clock, kindly wake up. तो समटाइम्स हमारा रिलेशन इस लेवल तक आ जाता है कि हम जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें हैं वो भी हम कम्युनिकेट नहीं करना चाहते हैं, इस हद तक हम चीजों को ले जाते हैं. सो यू कैन सी दैट हाउ कितना डिफिकल्ट या कितना सेंसिटिव हो गया है कभी कभी रिलेशंस आज. एंड ये क्यों हो गया है? बिकॉज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैव बिकम सो सेंसिटिव, ह्यूमन नेचर हैज बिकम सो सेंसिटिव. तो जब हम क्रिएटिंग अ सोल टू सोल रिलेशन मीन्स व्हाट? क्रिएटिंग अ रिलेशन एट द हार्ट लेवल, at the level of the soul. एक सोल का रिलेशन दूसरे सोल के साथ, दैट मीन्स एट द हार्ट लेवल, रिलेशन ऑफ माई एनर्जी विथ somebody else's एनर्जी. अब मुझे इसमें चेक करना है कि मेरी एनर्जी कैसी है. मेरी एनर्जी कैसी है मीन्स व्हाट? मेरे थॉट्स क्या है, मेरी फीलिंग्स क्या है, इमोशंस क्या है, मेरा एटीट्यूड क्या है टुवर्ड्स, नॉट ओनली towards somebody, towards myself and towards life in general and to human beings. अगर मेरी लो एनर्जी फ्रीक्वेंसी में हम चल रहे, मेरे थॉट्स फीलिंग्स एंड ऑल वेरी लो एनर्जी में चल रहे हैं, so I will relate to the other person also with that energy only. मैं उसी माइंडसेट से, उसी लो फीलिंग से, उसी डाउट से, उसी इनसिक्योरिटी से आई विल रिलेट टू दैट पर्सन. फिर कैसे हमारा रिलेशन अच्छा स्मूथ हो सकता है? हम समझते कि एट इन अपरेंट लेवल आई शुड बी वेरी नाइस, आई शुड बी पोलाइट, आई शुड बी वेरी गुड. वो सामने वाले ने कहा हाँ जी, मुझे हाँ जी करना है, एवरीथिंग. but inside there is a turmoil going on. If there is a turmoil going on inside and outside I am trying to make relations very nice, very good, that it doesn't work because my inner things are not healed. I am not working on my inner self. कई बार इसलिए हम कहते हैं I did everything for that person. But everything हमने क्या कहाँ किया? At an outer level. We did everything at an external level. And that is why it doesn't work, because relation is what? Exchange of energy. अब मैं क्या एनर्जी एक्सचेंज कर रही हूँ दूसरों के साथ? आप सोचिए, what kind of energy I'm exchanging? So where has that work to start? You know, that work has to start actually within our own self. People think that relation को ठीक करने के लिए सामने वाले को भी ठीक होना पड़ेगा, हम ही करें. It's not like that. Even if one person starts a step of change, that is enough. That is enough to change the relation. So working at your level, you know, your inner level is a very important aspect. And so we will see here, going from misunderstanding to understanding. Today, what we will try, there are many aspects for creating a soul to soul relation. Today, what the aspect we will see is how misunderstanding, which creates a lot of conflicts. You know, there are many aspects to it, maybe expectations or reactions. But today, what we will focus on is what is misunderstanding and understanding. There are two people who always spoil our relation, whereas we say one couple, that is misunderstanding and Mr. Doubt. Always कुछ misunderstanding हो जाती है, हमारे अंदर doubts create होते हैं, and वहां हमारी conflicts शुरू हो जाती. अब जब हम ये समझ लेते हैं that मुझे अपनी energy, मुझे अपनी soul की energy को प्योर बनाना है, पॉजिटिव बनाना है, that will only start with, that will be the first step to create a good relation. That is relation with your own self, relation with your own higher self. अब we have to understand that we all are on a soul's journey. Just like I told you that we don't have choice, we may not have choice as who will be there in our life, you know, what kind of people we'll meet in our journey. जैसे हम ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं, हमें नहीं पता है कि कौन सा व्यक्ति आकर हमारे सामने इसकी सीट में बैठेगा. वैसे लाइफ में भी कई बार पता नहीं होता कि कौन सा व्यक्ति हमारे सामने आके बैठेगा, कौन सी व्यक्ति will enter our life. Because when people enter our life, it is very in a very good form, you know, बहुत अच्छी starting में relation बहुत अच्छा होता है, and धीरे धीरे, you know, it sometimes it becomes very difficult to handle. So now, so we have to understand we all are on a soul in a journey, जैसे जिसको हम कहते हैं soul की journey में. Now जब आप देखेंगे कि कोई भी journey है, उस journey में people go through many things. Like कई बार आप देखते हैं कि कोई लोग जो हैं जिनको बचपन में मे बी लाइक यू नो I had a friend in college time, and they were staying in a joint family, and she didn't have her father, so she was looked after by all the other joint family members, her uncles and aunts, chachas, chachis, all those who were staying there. But she, you know, continued her, you know, the life she was leading and the way she was living in life, the way she was continuing, it was always with that feeling that these people are doing a favor on me. You know, these people, you know, I'm indebted to them. See, and these people are doing a favor on me. So she was always living with that mindset. So in that, experience of life, even when she grew up, so she would not like anybody, you know, giving her any favor or doing anything for her. She was also always having very low self-esteem, and she felt that, you know, why this is, you know, that why I should do. And so she wanted to always, be in a good position. She wanted to work and she wanted to be independent. And this, see, one aspect is very good, but the other aspect was always when people would give her something, people would even give her gifts, they would give, but she would not ready to take, she would not be ready to take. Why? Because she always felt that I have to give them something in return. If I take something from them, means I have to give them something in return. So she was not ready to, open and be open in life with what life is giving her. There would be people who are giving to her without expectations, without anything in return. But she had developed that mindset that if somebody is giving me, means I have to return, and I will not be able to return. And she was living with that mindset. So this is what the habit or quality she developed during her childhood in that journey. So what happened when she gets married also, when she is in a proper family where other people are not like that, but she's always operating with that sanskar, with that habit. Similarly, you see parents and children. Parents are top rankers academically, they have been very good, very brilliant, but the child, that is another soul, is not interested in studies at all. He is interested in sports. Again, that becomes a point of conflict in our life. Similarly, this is a small one lifetime, but we have to understand that we are in this body just this lifetime. The soul has been journeying from a long time. ये एक body है. The soul has changed, had different costume also before. The soul and actor has lived in another costume. दूसरे costumes में भी हम रहे. अब मान लीजिए मेरा जो लाइफ इंटरेस्ट था, मेरे एक लाइफ टाइम में या मेरी एक जर्नी में, I met 5 people who always degraded me, who always avoided me, who always showed me down, or they always criticized me. So now I have had a journey like that, जहां मैंने बहुत criticism face किया है, मैंने बहुत abuse face किया, whatever I have faced in my life, and I have come at this point of time. Now my friend, she has had a journey where 5 people were very motivating, they were very loving, they were very considerate towards her, they have been very nice to her. Now we both are meeting in this life journey, and we both are there in one setup today. Now we both are invited for a party. So when we both are invited for a party, any function, so what is the reaction? मेरा reaction ये होगा कि मुझे लोगों से नहीं मिलना है, मुझे पार्टी वार्टी पसंद नहीं, मुझे लोगों के पास जाना ही नहीं अच्छा लगता है, मुझे लोग ही पसंद नहीं. I don't want only to meet people. Why? I don't know why I'm having these feelings. That is because of a past incident that has happened in my life journey, which I don't even know. And दूसरी मेरी फ्रेंड के उसकी फीलिंग कैसे होगी? उसकी फीलिंग होगी नहीं, पार्टी में जाना तो बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है, लेट अस गो, लेट अस एंजॉय. फॉर हर पार्टी फंक्शन मींस एंजॉयमेंट, लेकिन मेरे लिए पार्टी मींस नहीं बाबा, मुझे लोगों से मिलना ही नहीं, दूर रहना, मैं अकेली थी. So again, this becomes a point of conflict even in a family. एक व्यक्ति को ऐसा चाहिए, दूसरे व्यक्ति को ऐसा चाहिए. Why? Because हम सबकी एक फैमिली में भी 4 souls मिल रहे हैं, फादर मदर एंड मान लीजिए दो बच्चे, लोगों की चारों एक अलग जर्नी से आए हैं, and they all 4 are meeting at a point of time here. And आज maximum conflicts इसीलिए हो रहा है because we are just seeing the present setup. We are not able to understand कि ये सोल ने भी कोई ऐसी जर्नी क्रॉस की है, दैट इज वाई इस प्रकार से है. जब हमारे कॉमन गोल्स है, समटाइम्स अगर मैंने भी बहुत अच्छी जर्नी की है, सामने वाले ने की भी जर्नी बहुत अच्छी रही है, देन हम कहते हैं, या हमारी सिमिलर एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं, देन हम कहते हैं कि या दैट वी आर कंपैटिबल, या we understand each other. Why? Because we all have gone through that same experience. So one thing, a point of conflict could be, why? Because हम दूसरों की सोल जर्नी को समझ नहीं रहे. सेकेंड पॉइंट हमें ये समझना है दैट लाइफ जो है ना, लाइफ हमारी एक टीचर है. दिस यूनिवर्सिटी का हो, लाइफ का हो, ये क्या है? इट इज अ टीचर इन आवर. अब बिकॉज कई बार आप देखते हैं कि हमारे लाइफ में बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को हम देखते हैं, और हम क्या इजिली कहते हैं कि दिस पर्सन इज सो लकी, ये कितना लकी है, इसका स्पाउस कितना अच्छा है, इसके बच्चे कितने अच्छे हैं. ना ऑटोमेटिकली हम कई बार दूसरों की लाइफ को देखते हैं एंड बहुत सारी ऐसी कमेंट्स जो है ना हम बोल देते हैं, और बट वी फॉरगेट वन थिंग, दैट वी ऑल आर इन अ प्रोसेस ऑफ एवोल्यूशन. आज मे बी either Shri Krishna or Shri Ram or Jesus Christ will not come here in this world now and teach us something. The universe, the world is a university, and universe has its own way of teaching us through people, through situations, through incidences, what is happening in our life. जैसे कोई मुझे आकर कहता है कि लाइक आप जो है ना कि ये व्यक्ति है ना मेरे से बहुत रूडली बात करता है, लेकिन वो आपके सामने जब आता है ना, आपके साथ तो बहुत अच्छा बात करता है, आपके साथ बहुत स्वीटली बात कर, आपके साथ तो बहुत पोलाइट है, तो वो मेरे साथ ऐसा रूडली क्यों बिहेव. तो मैंने उनको कहा कि मे बी यू हैव टू लर्न अ लेसन ऑफ पोलाइटनेस, और यू हैव टू लर्न अ लेसन ऑफ टॉलरेंस, or you have to learn a lesson of stability, that you have to understand ki why I am attracting such a person in my life, what life wants to teach me, what is the lesson that life wants to teach me, rather than focusing on that person, rather than complaining, rather than criticizing, being bitter about things. You try to ask yourself that what life wants to teach you, what this university wants to teach you. And when you would go into that, like you see sometimes saints जो होते हैं वो जो है उनके पास इवन थीव्स भी जाते हैं, लेकिन उनकी ऑरा ऐसी है दैट उनके सामने भी वो थीव्स भी या उस प्रकार के लोग भी बहुत ठीक हो जाते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज उनकी एनर्जी फील्स ऐसी हो दैट वो नेगेटिव चीजें जो है अपने आप डाइल्यूट हो जाती हैं, वो नेगेटिव चीजें आपको इफेक्ट नहीं कर रही है, दैट योर पॉजिटिव एनर्जी is a kind of shield in your life. तो जब हम इस बात को समझते हैं that what is there in my life that that pulled this thing, and what is life asking, questioning yourself, and then you will shift your focus always from दूसरे क्या कर रहे, दूसरे ने ऐसा क्यों किया, and you will shift more on that evolvement. Third thing is, कई लोग पूछते हैं that why should I be understanding always? मुझे क्यों अंडरस्टैंड करना, सामने वाला क्यों समझता नहीं, सामने वाला क्यों अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करता है. बट अपने आप से पूछो दैट डू यू वांट पीस एंड हैप्पीनेस इन लाइफ. द क्वेश्चन टू यू इज आस्किंग योरसेल्फ इज दैट डू यू वांट टू बी पीसफुल एंड हैप्पी. अगर क्या मुझे पीसफुल एंड हैप्पी होना है, इफ द क्वेश्चन इज यस, if the answer is yes, then you have to understand that मुझे understanding attitude रखना जरूरी है. So in that process, don't let your ego take over. कई बार हमको लगता है कि सामने वाला अदर पर्सन ने मुझे शाउट किया, somebody just shouted on me, screamed on me, सारा गुस्सा निकाल दिया, तो मैं क्यों चुप रहूं, मैं क्यों अंडरस्टैंडिंग. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट उस व्यक्ति ने वो वैसा किया, और उसने क्या किया है, अपना सारा नेगेटिव एनर्जी निकाला है. पर मुझे ये समझना है कि इस समय पर मुझे अपनी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी को प्रोटेक्ट करना है. डोंट लेट दैट नेगेटिव एनर्जी ऑफ दैट पर्सन डिप्लीट योर इनर एनर्जी. आपको आपको वो कमजोरी, आपकी एनर्जी खत्म करके नहीं जाए, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली अगर आप भी वही करते हो देन यू आर ऑल्सो क्रिएटिंग अ पैटर्न ऑफ शाउटिंग. एंड पहले आपको थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगेगा, फिर बाद में तो आपकी भी वही हैबिट हो जाएगी. यू विल ऑल्सो स्टार्ट, आपको लगेगा दिस इज द ओनली वे ऑफ डीलिंग विथ थिंग्स, एंड यू विल ऑल्सो शाउट. 4 बार शाउट करेंगे, 5 बार शाउट करेंगे. सो जब हम डोंट लेट आवर ईगो टेक ओवर अस. मैं क्या कम हूं क्या, मैं क्यों चुप, मैं भी तो सुना सकता हूँ. सो ऑलवेज जब हम इस प्रकार से उसने जैसा किया हमने भी वैसा किया, सो वो सेम पैटर्न बन जाता है. एंड अगेन वी गेट एंटेंगल्ड इन दैट साइकिल, वी आर जस्ट स्टक अप इन दैट साइकिल. एंड इसमें क्या होता है, व्हेन यू आर स्टक अप इन दैट साइकिल, यू आर नॉट मूविंग अहेड इन द एवोल्यूशन प्रोसेस ऑफ योर सोल. जैसे आप देखते हैं कभी कोई गाड़ी, एक टैक्सी है, एक टैक्सी एक टू कैच वन टैक्सी, दोनों पैसेंजर्स आते हैं, वो दोनों कहते हैं कि मैंने वो टैक्सी पहले देखी, मुझे बैठना है। अब दोनों ही वहां फाइट कर रहे हैं एंड दोनों एक दूसरे को अलाउ नहीं कर रहे उस टैक्सी में या बस में एंटर करने, या बस आती है, टैक्सी आती है, बोथ आर नॉट। इसमें क्या होता है, इन दैट फाइट एक थर्ड पर्सन ही बैठकर चला जाता है उस टैक्सी। तो ये ऐसा होता है कि समटाइम वी आर स्टक विद दैट पर्सन फॉर द होल लाइफ। इसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, मैं भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा, मैं भी ऐसा करूंगा, फिर वो कहेगा व्हाई शुड आई कीप, बट मैं भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन। एंड हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम वहीं के वहीं अटके हुए। एंड हमारा वो अब मेरे अंदर वो हैबिट नहीं थी पहले शाउट करने की, अब क्या हो गया है, नाउ आई हैव आल्सो डेवलप्ड दैट हैबिट ऑफ शाउटिंग एंड स्क्रीमिंग, एंड देन दैट आई विल डिस्प्ले इवन एट माय होम। घर में भी जाकर हम यही करेंगे, बच्चों पर भी सुनाएंगे। अगर मान लीजिए वर्क प्लेस पर हमारा किसी के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट में ऐसी हैबिट हो गई, तो वो आर्ग्यूमेंट, वो हैबिट हमारी कहाँ निकलेगी? ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ ऑफिस पे निकलेगी, हमारे घर पर भी जाकर वो हैबिट निकलेगी। So because we are not, so you have to understand that this is holding you. You are stuck here. You are stuck with that person. You are stuck with that incident. You are stuck with that habit of yours. And हम कहीं पर भी लाइफ में देखो, एट अ फिजिकल लेवल आप बढ़ रहे होंगे, बट आपकी सोल जर्नी में आप कहीं पर भी आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे। But that doesn't mean that you don't need to, you should not protect yourself, you should not take care of yourself. It doesn't mean that. कई लोग कहते हैं कि क्या हमको चुप ही रहना है, हमको कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है. It's not that. When there was one saying, he used to give talks, वो सिखाता था. तो एक स्नेक जो है ना, उसकी प्रवचन रोज सुनता है. सो देन दैट साधु जो है वो कुछ दिनों के लिए कहीं गया. उसने कहा कि मैं थोड़े दिन के लिए नहीं रहूंगा, लेकिन मैंने जो भी शिक्षा दी वो आपको फॉलो करना है. सो दे ऑल द पीपल सेड यस. ये सेंट ने, ये जो स्नेक था, उसने भी सोचा मैं भी करूंगा. आफ्टर 1 month when that saint came back, उसने देखा वो स्नेक की तो हालत बहुत खराब है. वो स्नेक तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट कंडीशन में है, बहुत वीक हो गया है. उस द होल बॉडी ऑफ दैट स्नेक वाज ब्रूज्ड. उसको बहुत कुछ लगा था. तो पूछा क्या हुआ, तो उसने क्या कहा, आपकी टीचिंग्स मैंने फॉलो की, एंड आपने कहा कि नॉन वायलेंट रहना है, कुछ करना नहीं है, काटना नहीं है, ये सब चीजें सिखाई, तो मैंने नहीं किया. सो बच्चे सारे मेरे को पत्थर मारते थे, लोग मुझे पत्थर मारते थे, एंड मैं कुछ करता नहीं था, तो इसके कारण नाउ आई एम ब्रूज्ड. तो उस सेंट ने कहा मैंने तुमको काटने से मना किया, पर डराने से मना नहीं किया. तुम काटो नहीं, लेकिन डराने से मना नहीं किया. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिचुएशन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू ना, उस समय क्या सिचुएशन. इट डजंट मीन अपने आप को बहुत ही उस लेवल ऑफ टॉलरेंस लेकर जाना जहां आप यू कांट इवन टेक अ स्टैंड फॉर योरसेल्फ. दैट इज नॉट मीन्स टू बी हैविंग एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग एटीट्यूड. अंडरस्टैंडिंग एटीट्यूड अपने लिए भी होना चाहिए. if you cannot, if your policy in life that I should not hurt others, then your policy in life should be that I should not hurt myself also. I should have that enough of love and consideration towards myself also. that is, अपने प्रति भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग रखना, दूसरों के प्रति अंडरस्टैंडिंग रखना ये जरूरी है, पर ऑल्सो बीइंग हैविंग एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स योर ओन सेल्फ. So learning where I have to draw the line and till what, because we can tell good things, in we can be stern manner. हम right बातें एक stern manner में, या एक एक strict manner में भी हम बोल सकते हैं. नॉट नेसेसरी हमको शाउट करके ही बोलना है, इसी प्रकार बोलना है, नहीं तो फिर हमारे फैमिली में जो बच्चे हैं वो यही सब सीख लेते हैं, वॉट एवर पैटर्न, हैबिट पैटर्न्स, क्योंकि हम एक सेटअप पर मिले हैं, तो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हम वही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पिकअप करते हैं एक दूसरे के. सो डेवलपिंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग मीन्स व्हाट, अंडरस्टैंडिंग मीन्स मैच्योरिटी. जब हम जीवन में मैच्योर होना सीखते हैं. One lady who started coming to the center, थोड़ा ही समय हुआ, she started understanding spiritual knowledge, she started applying all the teachings. तो उसने recently एक incident मेरे से share किया that she and her husband were traveling, they had to go for a wedding, and in one of her bags, she had a lot of jewelry. What she had to, she's a very from a wealthy family. तो उसके पास बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी थी, तो जो उसने एक बैग में रखी. And with all that, confusion of so many bags, there, तो उसका husband जो है ना, he forgot to check in that, that particular bag which contained all the jewelry. So when they reached the destination and when they got down, they उन्होंने देखा कि ये बैग नहीं है. Husband ने देखा, and that husband is because she always used to have कुछ ना कुछ conflicts with the husband. Husband doesn't listen to her. Husband feel he doesn't listen. So this conflict was there. So when they reached the destination and when they found out, उसने देखा ये particular bag तो है ही नहीं. And now that husband was under stress क्योंकि उसको पता था कि इसमें सारी ज्वेलरी इसी में है, यही बैग अंदर नहीं गया है. So he was very tense, very upset, and now he was wondering अभी wife क्या बोलेगी and क्या कितना बड़ा होगा. So many things were going on in his mind. And उस tension में आकर wife को भी बताया कि देखो this bag is missing and I think that वो bag we are not checked in and this is what happened. And now so she is saying that उस समय मैंने अपने आप से बात किया कि देखो अभी नाराज होने से, अपसेट होने से, उस पर चिल्लाने से कुछ भी होने नहीं वाला ना. व्हाट जो जाना था वो तो चला गया, जो बैग जाना था वो चला गया. एंड देन शी spoke to the supreme ना, जैसे मेडिटेशन में now we will do our best whatever we can. And अभी आप देख लो, she surrendered. Now this situation she totally surrendered to the supreme, that now you take over and you do what you feel is best in that situation. I will put my efforts, I will remain calm, because ultimately she understood that वो शाउट करने से, उसके ऊपर चिल्लाने से कुछ भी फायदा नहीं, कि तुमने ध्यान नहीं रखा, तुमको पता नहीं है इतना, ये सब चीजें. She said I didn't do anything. And she is telling her husband was more upset. Why? Thinking that why is she not shouting anything, why is she not telling anything. मैं इतना इतनी बड़ी बात हो गई है, ये कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रही है, कुछ चिल्ला क्यों नहीं रही है. इन नॉर्मल सिचुएशन तो वो ऐसे ही करती थी, but she did not do it. And then she waited and वो time pass हुआ, their husband ने effort सब डाला. And luckily they understood that bag had not been checked in and it was still there with that airlines and they could recover that bag. So this all things and जब हम एक मैच्योरिटी से लाइफ की कोई भी सिचुएशन को हैंडल करते हैं, you will find that the results are better. अंडरस्टैंडिंग मीन्स हम वो मैच्योरिटी अपने जीवन में लाना. सिर्फ अपसेट होने से, सिर्फ स्ट्रेस में रहने से, वरी करने से थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू बिकम ऑल राइट. जो जाना है वो जाएगा, जो होना है वो होने ही वाला है. बट मेरी इंटरनली एनर्जी कैसी है, मैं इंटरनली अपने आप को क्या कर रही हूँ, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड दैट इज अपने आप को मैच्योरिटी लेवल पर लाना. एंड जब हम इस मेच्योरिटी लेवल पर, दैट इज डेवलपिंग इमोशनल मेच्योरिटी, विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कि हम अपने जीवन में एक मेच्योर एटीट्यूड से काम करें. लाइक सपोज जैसे आई वाज टेलिंग यू दैट वी आर ऑन अ जर्नी. लाइक अभी मान लीजिए इफ इन दिस लाइफ टाइम, अगर इफ आई हैव हैड अ फॉल, कहीं पर वी हैव हैड अ फॉल एंड वी हैव ब्रोकन अ बोन, तो क्या होता है कि हम क्या करते हैं, उसको हील करते हैं, वी विल डू द रिक्वायर्ड ट्रीटमेंट एवरीथिंग. बट क्या होता है समटाइम्स, क्या होता है कि इवन आफ्टर 4-5 years ड्यूरिंग विंटर टाइम और समथिंग, वो क्या होता है दैट देयर इज अ पेन इन दैट प्लेस. तो जब हमको पेन आता है तो हमको क्या याद आता है, अरे आई हैव दिस पेन इज बी रिलेटेड टू दैट फॉल आई हैव हैड 5 years before. Right? So that physical pain, it is a manifestation of something, some accident that had happened 5 years back in my life. ऐसे ही today, whatever our negative nature could be, any negative, we all have positive and negative qualities. Negative qualities may be of insecurity, of fear, or stress, or depression, depressed feeling, yeah, disturbances, ego, jealousy, whatever we are seeing in our life today. Now that is a physical manifestation of some emotional accident at a soul level which had happened somewhere in our lifetime, in one of the lifetime, in one of our journeys, that we can say emotional accident happened. That now we don't remember, it is not there in our memory. But what is there? the impressions, the gross form is my behavior today, the thought pattern today, my attitude today. That is what has developed because I repeatedly, 5 times I repeatedly felt insecure. 5 times I repeatedly in one of my journeys, I felt very hurt. Today my nature is very sensitive because I have repeated that pattern because of whatever accident has happened in my life. Like, so you have to understand that now what can you do about it? Now that is what is gone, is what has happened is happened. Now, Abhi, you can't go back and try to think, what has happened, what could have happened. You don't need to go. But what you're saying today is something that had happened. And see, similarly, you're seeing some kind of pattern in somebody else. जैसे आप कोई व्यक्ति, one person is suffering from a very serious illness and that person is behaving in a very weird manner. Will you get angry on that person? No. You'll not get angry because you know that person is in pain, that person is going through all that suffering, and that is why that person is shouting or screaming or yelling because of that physical illness that person is having. You will have mercy towards that person. So when you understand at an emotional level also that whatever I am seeing, that behind that anger there is a pain, behind that hurt there is a pain, behind that action of that person there is some emotional accident that happened. And that is why today that person or he or she is behaving like that, or my own behavior, that this has happened because of something that has happened in the past. So now what can I do? Now what can I? That is what you are, that is important. The importance is now. Now what efforts I am putting, what dose I am taking, what medicines I am taking in my life. Sometimes through knowledge I can rectify it, sometimes through understanding, sometimes through love, sometimes through patience. So whatever works best for you. Relations may kabhi love brings a lot of change. You know, when you have given that acceptance to people, when you give that love, when you give that compassion, even one good quality, one act of compassion could start a change in the other person. When you have um, adjusted with that person, or you are not very egoistic, so you have to see what works for you, and that will help you to bring about that change. And that is why creating a perspective shift, जब हमारे लाइफ में कुछ भी बात होती है, कुछ भी लॉस होता है, एनीथिंग कोई व्यक्ति हमारे से ठीक से नहीं चल रहा है, या हमारे लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है, हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये होता है, व्हाई मी, व्हाई मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है, why all this is, always we enter into a victim mode, and poor me or why me. That is one aspect of perspective of looking at life. Second perspective is understanding. When I get little spiritual knowledge, मुझे समझ में आता है that nothing happens without a cause and effect. कुछ ना कुछ अगर एक इफेक्ट आ रहा है, means there must have been a cause today or yesterday. कहीं ना कहीं वो cause and effect था ही, इसके कारण वो इफेक्ट दिख रहा है. ऐसे नहीं होता है आज कुछ हम देख रहे हैं मीन्स उसका कॉस्ट तो होगा कहीं ना कहीं. लाइक इफ देर एक व्यक्ति ने एग्जाम्पल बहुत सुंदर बताया था कि अगर एक काउ है एंड दैट दैट काफ इज देयर, तो वो गाय का जो बच्चा है उसको आप उस गाय से दूर भी कर देंगे, लेकिन आप कितना भी उसको दूर करो, कैसे ना कैसे ढूंढकर वो काउ मदर के पास आ जरूर जाए, कैसे भी कर. सो वट एवर कुछ कॉज हुआ है, हमारा कोई एक्शन हुआ है, उसका इफेक्ट कहीं ना कहीं घूम फिर के हमारे पास आएगा जरूर. एंड ये क्यों, एंड जब हम ये बात समझते हैं, जैसे कोई व्यक्ति सोचता है कि ही हैज हैड अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फादर, ना फादर बहुत डोमिनेटिंग, फादर ने कुछ करने नहीं दिया, फादर ने ऐसा ही बिहेव किया, एंड वही पेन एंड हर्ट से फादर ने जॉब करने नहीं दिया, अर्ली मैरिज करा दी, सो दैट गर्ल इज लिविंग विद दैट एक ग्रज लेके जी रही. नाउ व्हेन जब मैरिज करा तो वो सोचती कि चलो फादर से तो छुटकारा मिला, होपफुली हस्बैंड ठीक रहेगा, लेकिन थोड़े समय के बाद हस्बैंड के साथ भी वैसा ही पैटर्न आ गया. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका ये मतलब है यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पीपल वुड बी डिफरेंट इन योर लाइफ. आज फादर है, फिर हस्बैंड है, अलग अलग लोग होंगे, बट लाइफ को वो लेसन हमको सिखाना ही है। चेहरे बदलेंगे, लोग बदलेंगे, सिचुएशंस बदलेंगी, बट लेसन जब तक सीखा नहीं है, सिमिलर पैटर्न्स ऑफ लेसन्स कीप appearing in our life. People would be just changing. So understanding that every cause has an effect. थर्ड इज, कभी हम सोचते हैं कि चलो वो जो कॉज एंड इफेक्ट है, उस चीज से हम बाहर जाके यू आर रिफ्लेक्टिंग ऑन योर ओन इनर सेल्फ, अंतर्मुखी होना, अंदर में जाना, अपने आप को चेक करना कि what in me attracted, what in me pulled that person in my life, pulled such a mother-in-law, such a father-in-law, such a boss, such a child. What is that pulled that kind of person in my life? And क्यों वो person मेरे साथ इस समय ऐसा behave कर रहा है? मुझे अपने soul level पर क्या change लाना है? And when I start making that change, and वो lesson जब मैं learn करूंगी, things will be in much better condition. मैं जब तक learn नहीं करूंगी, मैं वही class में stuck हूँ. I am not going ahead. I am not getting promoted into a higher level. एंड फोर्थ इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द राइट पर्सपेक्टिव, मीन्स जहां हम किसी को भी ब्लेम नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम अच्छी बातें हैं, बुरी बातें हैं, एवरीथिंग वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग एंड understanding that this is all a part of a drama plan to make us better. Just like when you put a seed, the seed has to go into that mud, into that darkness, then only it will give the light, then only crop a tree will be yield from that. उसमें से वो झाड़ कब तैयार होता है? जब वो बीज को वो काली रात से मिट्टी में जाना पड़ता है. So we may have to go through dark nights in our life, a very dark period in our life, but then that will evolve us into a better human being, provided we are living in the right perspective, not blaming, not criticizing. That is, आप being the right perspective means हम किसी को blame नहीं कर रहे, हम किसी को criticize नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम अपने पर concentrated हैं, अपने पर सीमित है, that what I have to learn from this life, what life wants to teach me. And that is why understanding that you are the hero of your own life and understanding being for learning, हमें बहुत पेशेंस की आवश्यकता होती है, हमें एक अपने प्रति अपने आप को नर्चर करना, अपने आप को प्यार देना. इट डजंट मीन अच्छा ठीक है आज हमारे अंदर कुछ नेगेटिव क्वालिटीज है, वीकनेसेस है, इट डजंट मीन सारा टाइम अपने आप को ही क्रिटिसाइज करते रहे कि you are no good, comparing yourself in others. You don't have to look at lives of others. You just need to focus on your life and understand yourself better. कि कहाँ मुझे ठीक करना है, कौन सी चीज मुझे ठीक करनी है. एंड जब आपकी एनर्जी फील्ड ठीक हो जाएगी, अपने आप यू विल सी द चेंजेस एट द आउटर लेवल. व्हेन माइक्रो लेवल पर आप चेंजेस करेंगे, यू विल सी द चेंज एट मैक्रो लेवल. So this is what, like, that is soul to soul connection. Creating soul connection means creating a right soul connection with your own self, connecting to your own higher self. And when we start doing that, either through knowledge, through spirituality, through meditation, in any way, self reflection, you will find that जो दूसरों के साथ जो मेरा connection है, that chord is much better. It is, that balance is much better, because now you are more stable, you are more in control of your own thoughts, your feelings, and your emotions, where always your focus is not on what the other person should be doing, what the other person should be thinking, what the other person should be feeling, but you are focused on what your thoughts are feeling. And you as a hero of your life, जैसे हीरो एक्टर होता है, वो अपना रोल देखता रहता है कि मैं अपने रोल में बेटर कैसे करूं, तो वैसे हमें अपने लाइफ के हीरो हम ही हैं, और हमको ही अपने लाइफ को बहुत अच्छा बनाना है. That is what is, the you can see the value of having the right understanding of or maturity will play in our life. Okay, so we'll stop here today. I think it's time up. So we'll stop here, and thank you very much. We can do 1 minute meditation. I think it's time up. So we'll just do 1 moment of meditation. Om Shanti. I, the soul, traveler in the journey of life, where this physical body is a costume through which I am traveling in this world. All the souls, the co-passengers, travelers I meet, whether my family members, friends, relatives, colleagues, all are there with me for a brief period of time. In this journey, my aim is whatever time I am there with these souls, my task is to radiate peace, love, happiness through my thoughts, words, feelings, actions. Today, all souls want these positive energies. And as I become a source of radiating these qualities to others, this journey of life becomes more easy, very smooth, as I connect to my own higher self, the divine self. And in that space of divinity, in that space of enlightenment, when I connect to the other soul, I am able to bring out the goodness in other people also. This journey for me is an evolution process to learn, to understand, and not get stuck at any point of time, anywhere in life. But it is a journey of personal growth where I evolve and reach my own true perfect self, my original nature of eternal peace, purity, power, happiness, and bliss. The more I am in awareness of my true higher self, that is what I radiate to the world around. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.
Thank you, Didi, for the powerful session today. And thank you, everybody else, for joining. We will meet the next week. Thank you. Have a nice day. Om Shanti.
Thank you, sister.